Mothiba usebhekene noKeeper
1-on-1.
Liliana ubengalishaya ngobhozo ku right waKeeper yeah ubengalishaya ngobhozo liyokhala
kaThele nango left wakhe nje elite
yena wakhetha ukusebenzisa ibatha uku6 yards manje ibatha ukuthini the only thing ezokwenza ibhola lisheshe angalokhuthi goalkeeper angalivimbi ubhozo le qambe phakamisa izandla selidlulile useduze uKeeper ibhola malishesha
angalizi nje ngo left
yeah ukuthi ashesha react hayi uthe ngalichitha uKeeper lelo walimala ngabe ukuthi ingubo zodwa uMothiba and walithola ithuba the second time uthola ithuba ahead umuntu bese kokugcina kwakhe ke ethinta ibhola edlala ibhola
Sanibona bafethu igama lami nguSanele aka uDonsa eNkabi. So bafethu we are back with another video. Namhlanje bekudlale MTN 8 semi-final number 2 i-first leg between Mamelodi Sundowns versus iGolden Arrows. So bafethu lo mdlalo budlale ePretoria ophele ngo-1-0 iGolden Arrows ithuma iMamelodi Sundowns uphuthu isuka le KZN suka la eKZN isuke newisa la impuphu yakhona yafika yapheka ngale hayi kumanje nje idle uphuthu nje ePretoria. So bafethu before we get into the game please don't forget to follow us at Starting 11 on YouTube. La uzothola khona bafethu where you get the full clips. So igoli likorwe uJunior De Jong. Remember Junior De Jong be top goal scorer last year. So bafethu iGolden Arrows is the first team ukuthi ishaya ama-African champions kuningi kuseza the second leg game izodlala next weekend. So sibude usathu sibeke ukuthi game uyibone kanjani.
My followers sibude in the house of Starting 11
showcase
yeah masandawana abafana bestayela bebhekene nabafana besi10 yeah igame Arrows inhloso yayo bekuwukuthi ishayela ublock nje ihlale emuva once uma ihlale emuva iphuma ngecounter attack yeah icounter attack ibonile le
okay before singene ama formations iMamelodi Sundowns biza nge-4-2-3-1 so bekugos uKeeper then bese kuba uModiba iLokhonja i-right Modiba i-left back then bese eba uJohannes noKhozo Mpherile then i-right back ngale ngoba sazi ukukhuliswa umdawa akekho ukhona umdunyelo then lapha ecenter kube uAlende noBathusi Opus then le phambili iwinga beku-Squish uNdlovu phane ndawo Mayilula then ngale ka left beku-Bennett Mkwena then striker ke i-striker is-top goal scorer uMothiba akashaye uyebula then ngapha kwiGolden Arrows uKeeper bekuMahova ashesha waphuma ngenxa ukuthi ulimalile ethi save iLokhonja which was right it save igoal kaMothiba then kwase ngena uMbanjwa on 17 minutes then i-defense yabo bekuMaluleka ngale kuShezi Agnikoi then bese kuba kwaMabaso then partner nendawo bese kuDlamini uZwane then bese kuba uGasa ngale phezulu kwaGasa ama striker bene front 3 Golden Arrows because bekuyi-4-3-3 then kube uMaxwele bese kuba uDion goal scorer then bese kuba Sithole ibona ke abafana abanika uphuthu iMamelodi Sundowns then sibuye cela ungene ngosinyana
yeah balithume babuya bathunywe babuya nalo phuthu
showcase
bathumekile kakhulu and strategy sabo besisimple kamnandi kanjani siya defender siphuma ngecounter
showcase
siya defender Bilinokha iphethe ball position kamnandi kanjani eSundowns
73%
angithi yabona nayo ke isi-attacker iSundowns uma i-attacker walithola ibhola uMothiba Motiba usebhekene noKeeper
One on one.
Liliana ubengalishaya ngobhozo ku right waKeeper yeah ubengalishaya ngoba kuyokhala
Keeper nango-left wakhe nje elite.
yena wakhetha ukusebenzisa ibatha uku-6 yards manje ibatha ukuthini the only thing ezokwenza ibhola lisheshe angalilokhu ugoalkeeper angalivimbi ubhozo le qambe phakamisa izandla selidlulile useduze uKeeper ibhola malishesha
Bengalisi nje ngo-left.
yeah lula ukuthi ashesha react hayi uthe ngalichitha uKeeper lelo walimala ngabe ukuthi ingubo zodwa uMotiba and walithola ithuba the second time uthola ithuba ahead umuntu bese kokugcina kwakhe ke thinta ibhola edlala ibhola
uMotiba from 12 minutes ayeka lama chances uze uya ku 45 minutes akasenzi lutho ukoja kamkhiphi ngani indaba engakhishwa umuntu ngoba phela lo muntu uyabonala off
yabo
ayikho into ayenzayo uze ngene 45 minutes why because bemujida lo hlezi kuthiwa uMotiba bethu hlezi kuthiwa ayithola game time manje unikiwe game time uMotiba I think akathanda ukukora
hayi kungenzeka mhlawumbe
ya yona into yakhe futhi ukukora angimazwa kanjani futhi France hayi abanye abantu banenhlanhla mfethu banenhlanhla wathole wanikwa nepenalty washaya iPaneka
iPanama
hayi yazi mo
yawe iRSB ibona ukuthi uma ngabe Sundowns yakhuphuka iSundowns so uma iphuphuka kulama spaces left back ne right back ayasala osithole basukile bonke bakwi half ground yabo uma interceptor ibhola leSundowns lihlala kubo bayakhuphuka barane bese bengena ehlangothini laba sikhona ukuthi uModiba ukukhuphukile okuyila khona sebe attack cishe bekuwesithathu noma kwesi6 beqhamuka ngalelo side la iphume khona ipass ecinge uDion la kulesi space uShezi la kulesi space saModiba ngoba bebekhuphukile bethu ya attack uma elithola uDion ayazanga sananaza walibeke nethini wayo celebrate ke lawo ma celebrate
bakhuluma kakhulu
yabona ke la kwathi avala nomlomo wakhe omhlophe yabo same thing ibeyenzeka idlala iSundowns kamnandi first half uma ilithola iphume ngecounter sebeyapi esidini lamdunyelo ngenhlahla leyo bakwazi ukuthi ba track back kodwa uJohannes angazi noma besebemazi noSithole ngoba kulula ukumuka uJohannes ibhola defender la kuye kulula ukuthi alimuke lento eyenzeka naKaizer Chiefs uyakwazi ukumuka uJohannes ibhola ulinike umuntu osespacini arun kube yigoal noma izama ibuild up wampressa unama chances over 60% ukuthi ulithole lelo bhola ulinike umuntu osethi noma urane wena ufike ushaya igoal bamemuka uJohannes ngenhlahla lela kwazi ukuthi recover kwangaba yigoal okusho ukuthi weakest link kwi defense Sundowns uJohannes
ayethu mina ngazi uJohannes yini mfethu uJohannes mfethu unamaphutha akadeserve ukudlala leSundowns uJohannes ungitshela ukuthi uJohannes ustarter ahead of umvala ahead of uGrant Kekana uMalibonga phela beyedwa lapha uMalibonga cause he was the solid one uJohannes instead ukuthi a defend akafuna ukuphuma attack iwinga lapha ufuna ukuprotecta ngazi ukuprotecta
izizi
azangene kwi18 umdlalo lapho ongeke usakwazi ukumthinta khona
bese iyamlokhojana iyamhlula imdribble nje pass kanje kuye
akalifaki inyawo uJohannes
yabo
andike bese kuwa amakhona ama-cross
second half
uheader uthatha amabhola kumele ahlale kuma strikers awaheade
phazamise lapho bese kuphumile umkwena waphuma naye uMotiba bangena le besizama second half ukuthi inqonqozile laba nje bathi leli goal lethu silidefendela ukuthi nangu ke sefuna ukushaya igoal ngempela njengoba usho uJohannes usefuna ukushaya igoal kodwa makuthiwa ka defend ayifanele ayoba istrike uReinizer ayoba idefender adlala iposition ya defend content from wayibona ayi control yokheda akwazi ukuthi manje alehle ibhola kuzoba ishot on target ngoba be off target uma ehot lapho uLeon usemva kwakhe ulindele ukuthi nje lafika ngiyaliheda noma ngilifaka unyawo and enye chance ekube kuyi chance emnandi bese kungene Sundowns substitute yakhe right wing yaka right ingenile lapho kubara uMatthews naye ungenile
right wing
yeah
Phuma uNdlovu kwangena
umore bani
bungena uNono kwangena uMatthews kwangena uLeon kwangena uMorena singambalile kwangena uMkhulisi uMkhulisi
uma ngabe i-cross akakhuluma uMrena la ukuthi iphezulu mude kuneLeon uLeon wagcina waliheda kuqala yena ekuyi-right ukuthi nje ashaye tap in bekuyithi ukube khona okhulumile noma khona uthe jab bekuyenye chance yokuthi i-equalize iSundowns nangebhadi ke ladlula la yophumela ngaphandle uLeon engalitholile kahle
yeah so they didn't communicate but ilokho nje attack ye-Golden Arrows bebe more selective and bebeshaya transitional attacking they set deep baba prepare defense yabo for ilokho nje ama counter attack so which they were good because they didn't contact umbanjwa goalkeeper ungene wafita in so it's not easy ukuthi umdlali ukeeper ungene as a sub ufike ube ne clean sheet yeah bad especially when you play against people abafana neMamelodi Sundowns uShezi ela assisted that was the assist that was the assist ilokhonja Golden Arrows was very clinical. They had one shot on target, one goal. Ugos didn't save any chance. Didn't save anything. So it's hard to judge him because
the effective attacking Arrows
dangerous
intention yabo bebazi sisebenzisa ispace esisithola lo ngekho kweposition yakhe singena kuleso space siyahamba siyaphambili yiko ukuthi bebekhona ke lapha because nomdunyelo ukucover up lezi nguvo zodwa ke zaka kahle beyishode mhlawumbe iSundowns Motiba noJohannes
akubona nje abantu bokudlala la abantu nje ukudinga ukuthi Sundowns ibalone nje 3 years behlabe ngamaloni behambe beyosiza iCape Town City lapha eNzansi
hayi well ibe neadvantage ke Arrows one goal unfortunately for them fanele bakuphinde lokho abakwenze namhlanje asazi kodwa ukuthi kuzoba successful njenga namhlanje ku second leg ngoba bekusese first leg
iGolden Arrows bafethu iza ne advantage enkulu inale advantage yeOrlando Pirates so they got ama goal away they are going to play ekhaya manje so I think izobidlala kephi lokho nje Mlazi
ngiyacabanga izobe ihome
iGolden Arrows kusengenzeka noma yini ngoba lela ground likhulu bekuzoba ngcono iSundowns bizoba naleyo advantage nyana if ibidlala eMoses Mabhida yabo
iMoses Mabhida izovula phambi neviki canga for igame eChiefs nani
but ilokho nje kuyona ke ihome ground yeGolden Arrows leyo but ke bafethu congratulations to coach Pito Dladla congratulations to Dion congratulations to abafana besithende iKZN bafethu futhi kabi this year so sizobona kwi second leg bafethu ukuthi khamba kanjani yabo but iMamelodi Sundowns they are on the blink of being knocked out if they don't change their fortunes around so bafethu siyabonga ngothando siyabonga ngefollowing siyabonga bafethu ngeengagement support njalo Please don't forget to follow us on YouTube at Starting 11XI. Danke siyabonga.